Though some Fridays are extremely dangerous, but last Friday we saw market trading in a range and ultimately gold closing on 4715, 4716. 4700 is acting as a very crucial level. If you're planning to trade on 4700 or around 4700, you need to be careful on Monday because we can see liquidity building up. As you can clearly see, my dear friends, market has already tested 4700 already three times, means the level has become common, and as we all know, market doesn't like common things. So on Monday, there's a high chance that either market will break 4700 or market will sweep all the liquidity and then market will go up. So plan your trades accordingly. And as we all know, okay, during the weekend, okay, a single tweet from US President Donald Trump may bring chaos. So please stay in touch with the news as well. So let's find out the trading opportunities on gold for Monday. On the daily chart of gold, the market may be overall bullish, but here we need gold above 4900, means gold needs to cross this particular high, then only there will be a structural change here. Right now gold is trading around 4715, 4716, so 4900 is far away. And this is the main reason why gold has been struggling for direction for the last couple of days. Okay, there's a frequent trend change, okay, on the lower time frame, but the higher time frame is clearly saying that gold needs to cross 4900, then only market will form another higher high, and formation of higher high will indicate that gold is ready to be bullish again. But if you're a positional trader, if you have any ongoing buy on gold right now that you have been holding for months and years, that's a different story, because for positional traders, gold is always bullish. But if you're a swing trader, then things are really tight because the direction of the market is not clear. So on a daily chart of gold, okay, 4900 seems to be the valid level for the buyers, so that we can consider that gold is finally bullish again. This is the hourly chart of gold. If you're a day trader, then this chart is more important for you because you need to be loyal to your own time frame. Okay, so here we can clearly see that after this downtrend, okay, market broke the high here, and here the market is more or less bullish because we have the structural shift here, because market was forming higher lower lows and lower highs. Here market broke the highs, and right now market is forming higher highs here. So if we consider the daily chart, then we can see the market is still in waiting mode. But here on the hourly chart, we can see that already gold has shown the structural shift here. So what you should be following then? See, it's simple. It depends on your trading style. If you're a position trader or if you're a swing trader, then obviously you should be worried what is going on the higher time frame. If you're a day trader, if you're a scalper, then you don't need to worry much about what is going on the higher time frame. You should only stick to your own time frame, like the 5 minutes, 15 minutes, or the hourly chart. So here, if we look at the hourly chart, then yes, we can see that there is a good chance of market going up. And as most of us are day traders, so we will be looking for buy positions only. Yes, 4900 is a crucial level, I get it, but that is far away. Okay, but we are day traders, so we will be looking for buy positions only because we can see a structural shift in our time frame. And if we look at the market sentiment also, my dear friends, more or less the market sentiment is also bullish. You can see central bank buying supports gold prices, but further gains are kept. Gold futures above 4700 on central bank buying, middle is tensions, market talk. Gold maintains positive structure, technical analysis shows. If you want to read these articles, I will paste the link in the description. But you get it right that overall the market sentiment is bullish. Okay, so we will be looking for buy positions only for Monday. Okay, so now let's discuss the positions. Okay, for that we will be going to the 15 minutes time frame because it will be easier for us to understand the levels, and for execution lower time frames are better. Okay, so this is the 15 minute chart of gold in front of us. The 4900 we are not going to talk about it, it's far away. Okay, we will only be talking about the immediate levels here. And my dear friends, if you are looking for a reliable trading platform, you can consider opening your account with Vantage Markets. Vantage Markets, as we all know, it's a global brand. They have more than 5 million registered users, more than 1000 plus products to trade, and just look at their ratings. The rating says everything, that people trust them and people are happy using Vantage Markets. So if you are looking for a good platform, trusted platform, feel free to open your account with Vantage Markets. Use our referral in the description so that you also get access to our WhatsApp community. And my dear friends, if you're from India, agar aap India se ho, and if you are looking for INR deposit and withdrawals, then yes, Vantage is also passing through some trouble. You must know that forex trading is illegal in India. As a result, all the brokers, okay, they face problem with the third party deposit and withdrawals. So in India, if you are looking for some smooth process, then it's better to use USDT, because the problem is not with the broker. Okay, I'm not talking about Vantage alone here. The problem is in the process here. So you need to understand that government of India or Reserve Bank of India, okay, they will not, okay, let you trade easily. So my dear friends, okay, if you are looking for only a UPI and net banking deposit withdrawal, okay, I will also share my WhatsApp number in the description box. Okay, you can WhatsApp me. I will share a different broker, okay, regulated broker, where you can open your account. Okay, now the trading opportunities. So as we discussed at the beginning of the video, that 4700 is a very crucial level. So after market opening, if market comes down, okay, then observe the market on 4700. Market has already tested the level 3 times, so we have a liquidity, good amount of liquidity around this zone. High chance either market will break it, okay, or market will just grab some liquidity and go up. So if you see market going up from here, okay, market going up from here, then you can go for a buy above 4700 after liquidity sweep. So once market will be sweeping the liquidity, you get ready to enter and buy above 4700. In case market drops with high selling pressure, and if you want to take the risk, you can also look for a sell position below 4700 as well. It's up to you now. Personally, I will be avoiding any position in the first opening. Actually, I do not prefer to trade in the first half of Monday, because one thing that I have learned long time ago, that we should always avoid the market opening and market closing. So unless market shows heavy selling pressure, I will not sell below 4700. But if you want to go for a risky sell opportunity below 4700, it's up to you. But yes, because of the liquidity buildup, there's a high chance that market will sweep liquidity, and if market goes up, we can look for buy around 4700. Okay, the second buying opportunity is around 4678. Why 4678? Because market took support around this area previously. On Monday, usually we don't see much volume, बहुत ज़्यादा volume नहीं रहता. Okay, so as a result, okay, if market takes support around 4678, 7776 area, we can look for a buy position here as well. Okay, second support, and the third support we have already discussed in our previous videos also, 4660 to 4650. Okay, it's a big zone. The blue box that you see here, my dear friends, this is a big zone here. 4660, 4650. So when market will enter the zone, do not buy immediately, because your stop loss will be huge. You need to understand, you need to be practical here. Market, okay, work in zones here. If the zone is big, we cannot help it. We just need to wait for the right time. So when you will see the market is taking support around, let's say 57, 55, 53, then buy. Do not buy immediately yet. 4660. So on the chart of gold, we have 3 support levels. 4700, where we cannot buy immediately, we will buy after liquidity grab. Then we have 4678, and then 4660 to 50. So these are the 3 support levels where you can look for a buy position. And please stay in touch with the news. One single tweet from US President Donald Trump may, okay, bring chaos to the market. Okay, and if market goes up, my dear friends, okay, then what can we do here? Okay, as on the lower time frame, the chart seems to be sideways. I'm not saying the overall market is sideways. Overall market is more or less bullish here, because on the higher time frame we saw that gold is overall going up. The market sentiment is more or less bullish, but on the 15 minutes time frame, overall 50 minutes time frame, overall it is kind of sideways. Okay, not fully sideways. So here we can look for a quick sell opportunity as well, where around 4750 and then 4764 to 65. So these are the two selling opportunities on the chart of gold. If we can look for a sell position, okay, as a day trader or scalper, do not think that if market reverses from here I can take a sell position and sit quietly. No, you can look for a quick sell opportunity of one candle, means around $6 to $7, means 60 to 70 pips. And avoid taking trades on the middle of the chart because you may get trapped. And do not follow the levels blindly because levels are not permanent. Our capital is limited. We are traders, not gamblers. For example, if you see the market is standing at 4750 with a big green candle, then obviously you should use your common sense. Do not place a sell position blindly. Only trade when market behaves according to your expectation. We are retail traders. It is not possible for any human being on the planet, okay, to predict the market. Okay, so only try to react. Okay, so that's all from my side, my dear friends. Stay in touch with the news, okay, and hope peace comes soon so that we see normalcy in the market and also our human civilization flourish. Okay, so have a lovely weekend. Enjoy good times with your friends and family. Bye bye, take care.